boy Joseph back with another YouTube video. And today it is going to be a very eventful day. As you saw in the other video, I'm in this place called Carolina Pines. Wonderful place. Come check it out if you want to, whenever you go to South Carolina or if you go to Myrtle Beach. But today I'm either going to be recording in the pool and stuff, or I 1v1 these two trash talkers, even though they're my cousins, but you know, I'll put trash talkers. I'm thinking this video I'll kind of do both. It's like I go to the pool and stuff first, and then at night probably I 1v1 them. You know how other YouTubers do it. But you know, just chilling here with a dog, and we already ate and stuff. Last night I slept good, right? She did also. We stayed up till 1. There's these girls that like my brother Josh, and so you know, they're in the cabin right next to us, and so we tried to get their attention, but we couldn't. And so, yeah, it's basically all I have to say for right now. And I'll see you probably in the pool. Yeah, pretty much in the pool. We're mini bowling. There goes Justin. Anyways, I'm actually gonna put my phone down because I'm in the middle of the game. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your boy Joseph.
Bro, he's doing it at the wrong time. What is he doing?
Hey, it's all good. You can go.
Anyways, this is just a short little clip. There goes Justin. He cheated, bro. He threw twice. Anyways, it's about to be my turn. So yeah. Man, don't judge me. It's my first time. Bro, this kid be getting strikes. Hold on. Alright, back up. Because I'm finna destroy this whole. The thing about these balls is they don't have rules. Well, you're putting down. Alright, here we go. I messed up that one, guys. You messed up. Alright, guys, so okay, what's going on? Mini bowling, right?
Okay, Joseph.
This was it.
Okay, Joseph. Show me how it's done, Joseph.
84 subscribers.
Okay, show me how it's done, Joseph.
Look at this kid. Guys, look at me. I'm the boss out here, man. Look. Yeah. I got another one. Let's go. I got another one real quick. Let's go. That score right now, I'm winning. I go. Oh. So Justin just voted. Score. I'm winning 90-62. Justin gets one more try. Can he redeem himself? I think he can. That's right there. Ready? Oh, son. Yes, you just won. Yes, sir. End of game. I'll be in. Seven. Joseph, stop, for real. Anyways, we finna head to the arcade now. Jesse, we heading to the arcade? Yeah. Oh, you still gonna? All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right, guys. So Jesse's gonna play some basketball. Yeah, man, come play me. Come 1v1 me over here, man. Y'all gonna see that video soon. All right, let's go. I got 60 credits left. Let's go. Bro, the sun hasn't started. Bro. What the heck? It hasn't started. Go. 26. You're sweating, bro. That's how bad you are. Anyways, game over. Yo, Alright, you already know. I'm finna beat the high score, so it's no big deal. Let's go. I'll press start, y'all. Hold on. You already beat me. Alright, so it's 49 and the high score is 86. Hey, that was pretty awesome, not gonna lie. So we're gonna shoot these remaining basketballs. And yeah, alright guys, so Justin's gonna try this thing out. I wanna get this one right here. 125. You can't get that one. Alright, I'm just looking for high ones to go for. I got 52. Alright, get ready, get ready. Go for a goal one. Go for a goal one. Right here, I'm going right here. Oh. Oh. Oh, we got it. Let's go. Where'd it go? It goes down here. Go. Oh. Hello. Come on, hold on, wait. Open. Open.
Yeah, I think you should have read the sign, buddy.
Okay. It doesn't want to open. Is there like... Hold up. What the heck? Hey, we just got scammed. It doesn't want to open. What? It doesn't want to open. We just won. We just got scammed.
Tickets won, go back.
Oh, we didn't read the sign. Tickets already in the. Tickets are already in the phone. Let's do it again. I want to do it again. You want to do it again? Yeah, because I won. Oh, I want to do that. Let's do it. All right, guys. I'm laughing. Justin, you're going to do the favors of pushing that. We scan in. We got 47 left. Hold up. No, wait. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Come up. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. See what we get. That was a weak spin. 40 tickets. Hey, that's actually okay. I'm about to say we about got 1,000. No. If that was on 4, I would have been mad. Hey, that's good. That's good. Tickets won. 40 tickets. I want to do it one more time. Yeah, let's do it. You want to play games? Let's do it. Let's see what it lands on. Watch us just get like 5 tickets. 40 tickets again, okay? You can't argue. You can't argue. That's pretty good. You want to try something out? My bad. Nah, let's see. Want to try it? Hey. Oh, try that over there. One thing we got to do is that shot 15 right there. That game was fun. Me and Sam did. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. So Justin right here playing Whack-A-Minion. But you don't whack a minion, you whack whatever that is. Game over already. Wait, I got 27. Ready. Again? Record me do it.
Oh, you wanna? Oh, my bad.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna do it. Got a card here. Scan again.
We just found a random card right there.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it there. We're not gonna mess with it.
Oh, you hit a minion.
I did?
I think, yeah.
Nah.
This one, it gets you tripping, like. It's weird. But, like, sometimes you could just. It's weird.
I got 37. I got better than Justin.
Oh, he got better than me.
Too easy. So right now, yeah, we're gonna play some. But you play, guys. There's a crawfish in the middle of the
My
road.
Louisiana
Look at it.
people at.
You could just barely see it, but it looked like a scorpion.
No, it's a frog. I know exactly.
So, I got the flash on, so this will irritate my ass. But we just got out of the arcade. I got this from my brother and stuff. You know. This woman gave us 3 other cards, and she just let us have the tickets, which was actually really nice. And so right now we're just heading back to the little cabin thing. We're gonna put some stuff up, so yeah. Alright guys, that will be the end of the video. I am currently back home. The last video I posted that actually today. But you're watching this tomorrow. And so the video that's gonna come out after this one is me 1v1 versus Hansel. I did 1v1 Jacob, but we couldn't finish the game because my phone was out of storage for some reason. I'm not sure why. But soon I'll probably do one with him. And the video after 1v1 with Hansel, I'm gonna 1v1 my cousin, which was today. But for you guys, it was... Wait, no. Well, the day that I uploaded the recent video. Okay, I'm spoiling stuff, so thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.